section 4, let's make the robot feel. We will start this section off by taking a look at the touch sensor. Then we are going to detect collisions and make the robot stop at a wall. After that, we are going to try and use the touch sensor as a gas pedal to make the robot stop or move at our will. After this, we are going to take a look at the robot's own buttons and see what we can do with them. And last, the surprise buttons challenge. Introduction. In this section, we are going to start to take a look at sensors. The first sensor we are going to take a look at is the touch sensor, and this the robot uses to detect if something touches it. And we are going to also take a look at the buttons that are under the robot's display. There are 5 of them that we can control and detect. Let's wait for touch. We are going to write a simple program that uses the touch sensor. So, we are going to start off by taking a look at what we can do with the touch sensor. Let's open the orange section and pull out a wait block. As we already know, we can configure it by pressing on the stopwatch, and we're going to scroll down and press the touch sensor here. And let's take compare and state. So, the touch sensor has different states. It has a released state, a pressed state, and a bumped state. And we're going to take a look at what each of them do. So first, we're going to have a wait block set to bumped. And once it has been bumped, we're going to play a sound. And let's leave it at the default Mindstorms. Then we're going to copy this block and paste it here. And now we're going to configure it and have it wait until it is pressed. And we're going to have another sound. And we're going to have a last block which waits until it is released. And put another sound here. So now let's run the program and take a look at what each of these blocks do. Alright, so the first block we have is bumped. And what this does is if we press and then release the touch sensor, it is going to detect it. So let's give it a try. The next condition, which is pressed, is going to immediately detect once we press it, and is going to then detect it. And the last condition, released, is going to wait until the touch sensor is not pressed. So if we remove our thumb right now, then it will detect it. And these are the conditions of the touch sensor.